The Boat Active Smart Ring boasts a sleek stainless steel design that's both stylish and lightweight. It's surprisingly comfortable to wear, making it easy to forget it's even there. Plus, it comes with a magnetic charging case and is 5 ATM water resistant. Sounds impressive, right? The ring features a variety of health monitoring tools and over 20 sports modes. It's all connected through the Crest App, where you can track your activity and earn coins. But as we know, appearances can be deceiving. After using this ring for a week, I've got some mixed feelings. While the Boat Active Smart Ring is lightweight and comfortable, it falls short in some crucial areas. Let's start with the step counter. Unfortunately, it tends to miscount steps quite significantly. Whether you are walking or just gesturing, the numbers can be way off. And when it comes to tracking calories burned, the accuracy is questionable at best. Now, let's talk about sleep tracking. This is where things get really strange. Despite a full night's rest, the ring often shows only 3 hours of sleep or sometimes, even 0 hours. For half the price, a basic smartwatch can provide more accurate sleep data.